Hey, good morning, everybody. Wanted to give you a quick update on the Pro Tour Fox Mustang, ProFox, and just give you a quick rundown on some of the wiring that I'll be doing on the car. So I got the car back a few weeks ago from my friend Jeremy Bumpus, the Hot Rod Shop of Mississippi, and the paint turned out really, really incredible. I sort of gave him free rein to make the paint his own. I told him that I wanted it black, so he did that. He painted it black. There is a pearl stage. He used a blue pearl and then clear, so it's a three-stage paint, and it's sort of a color shifting sort of effect. So in some conditions it'll be black, in some light conditions it'll be blue. In the sunlight you'll be able to see all kinds of crazy color from the pearl. So I'm really excited. I think it's turned out really, really amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I'll give you a quick rundown of the engine bay. So the engine bay has a lot of work. My dad and I did most of the welding and fab work. I used Scott Rod panels and some other custom sheet metal pieces that we cut out to make work. But it turned out really, really amazing. Of course, I have the dual superchargers. The cast side of those are paint matched with the same color as the exterior. And then I'll have that really trick air cleaner assembly that we made. And this is still the factory hood, so I won't be running a cowl hood. Jeremy finished that beautifully with a high gloss charcoal gray. So all the engine bay is gray. I wanted to show off some of the detail of the engine bay, and didn't, whenever you paint things black, you lose a lot of the details. So I have a lot of cleanup work to do. I have the headers out right now, so I'm doing some mock-up of that. So that's a little bit on the engine bay. The interior is where all the electrical madness is going to happen. Here is the seats. These are the SVO buckets. Going no headrest, I'm pretty sure. I like the look with no headrest. So these are just sitting in here. I don't have anything bolted down yet. But I have a lot of electrical to do. So thanks to Ron Francis Wiring, I'm going to be tackling the wiring. Of course, if anybody wants to come out to Nashville, Tennessee, I'd love any help in wiring. I'm a wiring rookie, but I'll be taking on the task. I'm excited for it. And then back in the hatch area, I have a custom painted, this is the RideTech air pod for my air system. So I have airbags front and rear on the car, and then those are battery trays right next to it. Same color, gloss gray, that's in the hood, in the engine bay. So that's a quick rundown. I'm excited to use the Ron Francis panel. So I have the Ron Francis panel over here ready to go. I'll be wiring it in soon. All the front, I went ahead and wired all the front, the headlights and all the lights, side marker lights, fog lights. So I'll be putting that in the car very soon. Some of the other things, I have a lot of harnesses that I'll need to wire up. So my batteries, alternator starter, I have a remote relay that I'm going to be putting in the car. This car has power door, power windows. I'll be reusing some of the factory wiring for that, but having it go into the express panel. The T56 transmission, I have a special harness from Bowler Transmission that they made for that, so I'll be using it. I'll be running AC on the car. So I'm in Tennessee and it's way too hot to have a car without AC, so I love air conditioning. I have a custom harness from Fathead Garage. He does AC systems for Fox Mustangs and other Mustangs. The fuel pump is Holley, so I have a Holley harness for that. That is a Sniper, so I'll also be running a Holley harness for the Sniper. The NVU gauges, I have their wiring kit that I'll be using for the gauges. And then center console, I'll do some custom wiring for it. And that that custom fan, the ProForm radiator fan right there. That's really trick. And then my air horn. So I have 2 fire truck air horns on here. They're 25-inch trumpets. So I'll be wiring those. It'll be using air from my, my air management system. So lots of cool stuff going on. Hope you guys like it. Talk to you guys soon.